Christine here for the November 8th edition of the Winnipeg Real Estate News. Today we're in a condo for sale in Crescentwood. Are you thinking about moving? If so, this week's issue offers tips on moving your kitchen, selling your home in winter, and how to keep your home clean when showing. And our Happy Gardener column is all about the skinny on carrots. Looking for a condo? This week's featured neighborhood is Condominions, featuring a wide variety of properties unique to this lifestyle. We publish the only weekly open house guide as part of the Winnipeg Real Estate News, available for pickup at one of 500 plus locations. Look in the paper and online to see available properties and contact your realtor to get you more information or get inside. In print and online, the Winnipeg Real Estate News is your best source for real estate information in the Winnipeg metro region. On behalf of Winnipeg Realtors, we take the time to remember.